on the middle, bringing up tire 150, that's Sam Kerr. With a through 150, 333. There's a good hit by Terry from the back. Taking contact. And once again, 87. Good solid contact. And it looks like 747 Macy. The 742. Under. Everyone stop. And we're back to the line. 5 cars still running. Oh! 333 there. And everyone down. Down below Sam Kerr. Trying to work his way out of the corner. Coming back at number 87, Jim McCammon. Another round. Sam Kerr running down, making it in. Once again, Sam gets hit by Chris. Coming in through number 5, Roy Bennett. Backing up now, looking to make his run. Good solid hit coming back in. Once again, 2 guys coming back, trying to get one around. Come on, Chris! This is what I mean, if you don't keep going around, it's solid break. Good solid hit coming back and along. It looks like Sam further in the middle. Seeing another hit, 59. Not one of these in the middle. Once again, everyone breaking. And once again, with a solid hit coming through. Once again, the cars have to continue to hit. And hit like that, or go more. Big hit, and 87 right in behind. There's one back again. 9 coming back. Just to make sure everyone's in on the pile. Right up and around. Good solid run back. And it looks like number 87 is taking a little bit of a pocket in there, whether he can get himself. Yes, got it, Jim. Fighting his car, keeping it going. And once again, Roy coming back. And Cabbage keeping it going. He's still got his tires moving. It looks like right now. There's a good hit. Come on, Chris! Trying to get him both restarted. So right now you have Jim on the count and also Savage on the count. Down to 2 cars. 2 cars. Looking over everything. Number 5 and number 3. Roy Bennett. driving number 5. Chris here, driving 333. Let's hear it for them, folks. These guys are out there for you. Come on, let's hear ya. Cheer them on. They've done everything for you tonight. The Klein Show. Look at his shoulders. Keeping those tires going. The cat mouse game once again. They have to keep on hitting. Hitting is demanded of them. Roy coming up and around. There's a good hit. And coming back off the block. There's a good hit. Swinging up and around. Good hit. Knocking off the block. Now pushing forward, Chris forward. And backing off. Well-built car. Mobility. A lot of power. Going to be down to driver error. Both cars strong. Decisions are being made. They're not scared. Swinging up and around. Here we go. Roy looking for that chance. Chris. Here comes Pat. Once again, what I was telling you about the driver's skill. Watch them, how quickly they can go from a defensive position into trying to make the hit and being offensive. There's a nice, a nice and Roy trying to take him down.
Get out of there, Chris! Stop, Roy.
That's the driver. Chris now putting Roy in pursuit.
Wait.
What Roy's trying to do, coming around a big speed. Positioning his car to be able to take the hit. Back it up, ready to go once again. There's a good solid.
Come on, Chris!
Back it out. Roy stalls. Once again.
We said he wasn't going to use
last one to make the hit also. That's a big thing. Nice hit coming in. Chris down in the corner. And very quickly, Roy's on it. Lining up for another hit. Chris trying to escape. Oh, Roy. Roy's got to go. Good solid hit. Once again. No one letting down. Each one pushes back hard. Oops. The last one who made the hit. That's the deciding factor. Especially these guys are getting a little tired.
Come on, Chris! Come on, Chris! Woo!
Let's see. What?
Come on, Chris! Woo!
Let that little thing move.
Come on, Chris! Oh, he's gonna be so fucking happy. Oh, I know.
Just let you know. Yeah. There you go. Okay.
Yeah.
Round 4, champion. number 333, Chris Zimmer from Grand Valley.